Hey guys, glad to welcome you back. My name is Yan Sikorski. Today I'm gonna share with you my top 7 ideas for the next market session. As usual, first of all, let's see how my previous ideas work out. On the previous recommendation, I recommended you long euro dollar when price held above 1.14 level. As you can see, price formed entry points yesterday, but unfortunately hit my stop loss. Anyway, if you can see how price again hold above this level, I recommend you long this currency pair again. In this case, the first target will be around 1.15 level. Another idea in pound USD. If you look in the pound USD, yesterday price formed a false breakout of 1.26 and hit my first target around 1.2525. Another idea was in Adobe. I recommended you long the Adobe, and as you can see, right now this idea still works. That's why if you're in a position, stay in a position, and I believe you will be fine. In Visa, I recommended you long the stocks when price hold above 1.195. Yesterday price, the day before yesterday price tried to hold above, but nothing has happened. Price going down again. I recommended you wait when price hold above this level, and when price hold above this level, you can long the stocks, target $200 per share. Another idea in Apple, I recommended you long Apple. Right now, this idea still work. That's why if you're in a position, stay in a position. Microchip, the same long idea in microchip, but I recommended you long microchip only after breakout of 108 level. As you can see, price right now below this level. That's why no entry points. Just wait when price form entry points. And the last idea was in Nvidia stocks. In Nvidia, I recommended you long Nvidia after breakout of 410 level. Price cannot break this level. That's why no entry points. That's why I want to recommend you wait when price formed entry points for you. Wait when price form breakout of this level. When price form breakout of this level, you can long this stocks and your target will be 430 level. Okay, right now let's move on to today's ideas. Okay, let's start with euro dollar. In euro dollar, as you can see, price right now tries to hold above important support level around 1.14. That's why I recommend you long this currency pair, and in this case the first target will be around 1.15. But in another case, if you can see how price with an impulsive going down and hold below 1.14, you can short this currency pair. In this case, the first target will be around 1.1320. Another idea in gold, as you can see, right now price try to hold above important support level around $1,800 per ounce. That's why I recommended you long this instrument. In this case, the first target will be around 1,900. Let me draw to you 0. Another idea in Microsoft stock, I recommended you wait when price form pullback until $195 per share, and then wait when price form reversal model, and after that you can long the stocks. Your first target will be around to $15 per share. SMPS, our another idea, I recommended you long this stocks, and in this case your first target will be around $203 per share. Like CRM, our next idea, right now price try to form false breakout of $1,885 per share. That's why I have to wait how price will break for this level. I mean, if price hold above this level, you can long these stocks. In this case, the first target will be around $200 per share. If price falling down until $170 per share, and then from reversal model here, you can long these stocks also here. And in this case, the first target will be around $185 per share. And the last idea for today, this is general dynamic stocks. As you can see on a higher time frame, price hold above important support level around $140 per share. And if you look on a lower time frame, like H1 time frame, we can see how price from breakout of this trend line. That's why I expect with the price from pullback until $145 per share, then from reversal model, and after reversal model you can long the stocks. Your first target will be around $155 per share. Well guys, hope you enjoyed. See you next videos. Good luck. Bye.